In a bustling park filled with laughter and sunshine, Bob the Minion found himself on an unexpected adventure. This curious yellow fellow, always eager for new experiences, stumbled upon a sight that would change his day entirely. There, nestled beneath a park bench, was the fluffiest, most adorable golden retriever puppy he'd ever seen, with big, soulful eyes and a wagging tail that could melt even the coldest heart. The puppy looked up at Bob with an expression that screamed, "Let's be friends, Bob." Never one to pass up an opportunity for fun, immediately bonded with the energetic pup. He decided to call his new furry friend Buddy, and just like that, an inseparable duo was born. As they frolicked in the grass, Bob's hand brushed against something hidden in the bushes. To his amazement, it was an old, weathered map, its edges frayed and its surface covered in mysterious markings. Excitement bubbled up inside Bob as he showed the map to Buddy. The puppy's tail wagged even faster, as if understanding the promise of adventure that lay before them. With a shared look of determination, the unlikely pair set off on what would become the greatest treasure hunt the park had ever seen. Their quest led them through a maze of playground equipment, each obstacle presenting a new challenge. Bob and Buddy worked together, navigating slides, seesaws, and monkey bars with the grace of seasoned explorers. Well, maybe not grace, but certainly with enthusiasm. Bob's clumsiness and Buddy's boundless energy created a comical sight for the other park goers, who couldn't help but smile at the duo's antics. As they progressed, they encountered various puzzles that tested their problem-solving skills. A series of colored buttons needed to be pressed in the right order to unlock a gate, and a riddle written in leaves had to be deciphered to reveal the next clue. Bob's quick thinking and Buddy's keen nose proved to be the perfect combination for overcoming these obstacles. Along their journey, Bob and Buddy didn't just focus on their own adventure. They took time to help other animals in the park, showcasing the true spirit of friendship. They rescued a kitten stuck in a tree, helped a group of ducklings find their way back to the pond, and even assisted a squirrel in locating its lost acorn stash. With each good deed, their bond grew stronger, and their hearts felt fuller. As the sun began to dip lower in the sky, casting long shadows across the park, Bob and Buddy finally reached the X marked on their treasure map. With trembling hands and a wagging tail, they dug into the soft earth beneath an old oak tree. To their amazement, they unearthed a large box filled to the brim with ripe, yellow bananas and an assortment of gourmet dog treats. Attached to the box was a note that read, "To my favorite adventurers, may your friendship always be your greatest treasure. Love, Gru." Bob's eyes welled up with happy tears as he realized that their caring owner had orchestrated this entire adventure, knowing how much joy it would bring them both. As they sat under the oak tree, sharing their delicious bounty, Bob and Buddy reflected on their day. They had faced challenges, solved puzzles, and helped others, But the most valuable thing they had gained was the unbreakable bond of friendship between them. They realized that the true treasure wasn't the box of treats, but the memories they had created together. With the stars beginning to twinkle in the twilight sky, Bob and Buddy made their way home, tired but incredibly happy. Their hearts were full of love and excitement for the adventures that lay ahead. As they walked, Bob couldn't help but plan their next big quest, perhaps a pirate-themed escapade or a jungle expedition in the backyard. As they reached home, Gru was waiting for them with a warm smile and open arms. He scooped up both Bob and Buddy, giving them a big hug and praising them for their bravery and kindness. The trio settled in for the evening, with Bob recounting their adventure in his unique Minion language, complete with animated gestures and sound effects that had Gru chuckling and Buddy barking in agreement. That night, as Bob drifted off to sleep with Buddy curled up beside him, he knew that he had found something truly special. In this little golden retriever, he had discovered a best friend, an adventure partner, and a loyal companion. Together, they were ready to take on whatever exciting challenges tomorrow might bring, knowing that with friendship by their side, anything was possible.